As you may know, DaVinci Resolve 20 comes in two forms. You got the free version right here, and you have the purchase version here. The free version does up to 4K video, so there's no reason to go this route unless you're running a business. So when you download this thing, you'll find that the Linux version, I'm not going to fill this out, I already have it downloaded. Instead, I'm going to take you to my downloads page. And this is what you download: DaVinci Resolve, version number, linux.zip. The problem is that when you extract this thing, you get a .run file, and Linux Mint doesn't deal with .run packages. So we have to convert this package to something else. This website right here has a process and a download. You can download the latest version. It converts the .run package to a .deb package, which can be installed on Linux Mint. So you have to download this package and then go through the instructions which you're about to follow, which shows you how to install. We will show you how to do this, and we will also provide all the text required for the terminal commands in our video description. In this video, we're going to do things a little bit different. We're not going to run you through all the screenshots and click and paste and all that crap. We're just going to go down the list of what you need to do. These steps are all listed under the video description, so you can copy and paste and do these steps. And this won't make the video all that long, yet you'll get all the information that you need. In all these steps, the current version numbers are shown in the file names. So if there's newer version numbers that you download, then you've got to change the script to the new version numbers. For example, if you copy and paste in your terminal, you got to edit the version number before you execute that command. That way the command matches the current version that you have downloaded. Okay, step one, go to these two websites and download these two files as specified. Step two, using your file system, create the directory resolvedeb and also copy the downloaded files up above in step one down into this resolvedeb directory. Step three, enter the following terminal commands: cd, resolvedeb, and ls, and you should see the two files there that you've downloaded. Step four, using the terminal, unzip the downloaded DaVinci file and you'll get the results shown below here, these three lines. Step five, use tar to unzip the conversion package, and ls to see these 5 files, with 3 more on the following page. Step 6, install these 2 packages, fakeroot and Zoriso. They're both required to make the Debian package creation. Step 7, now run this make resolve script file to create the new DEB package. This can take several minutes and it needs a lot of disk space, greater than 7 gigabytes, to get this job done. The results must be 0 errors. If you get errors, you go look at the error report, you'll probably find that there was unable to save files because there's not enough disk space. So if so, make enough disk space. I made 10 gigs and it worked fine. When the conversion is completed, then the script file deallocates all the disk space that it used. It goes back to normal. Okay, we reach step 8. Now you get to install Resolve using the following terminal command. Skipping to step 10, this is how you would remove Resolve if you don't want it on your system any longer. And now we have a video showing what step 9 consists of. When you first start DaVinci Resolve, you will most likely receive an error warning and it won't run. GPU configuration warning. So we're going to go over here to the update configuration and go up here to memory and GPU. If you notice, it's got the auto marks ticked. But I have a device here, an NVIDIA device, but it doesn't see it because for some reason it's on auto. So if you turn off the auto, then it does see it. You can select it or not select it if you had more than one. So now we save that, click OK, and now when we start DaVinci, now if we start DaVinci again, it will come up and run properly. So if you don't have an NVIDIA card, then you need to look into either getting one, or there's some people say they can configure AMD cards to work too, but I'm not going there in this video. I'm sticking with NVIDIA because that's what it's designed for. So that's a problem you'll probably run into the first time you start Linux Resolve on Linux Mint. Here are some other videos that you may find interesting. So have a good day.